Hello and welcome back to Scott the Bike. I'm Scott, this is the bike and it may look a bit different. Just put on a top box. This video is going out first, so stay tuned for that video. Is it going to work? Don't have the best hopes. Anyway, this video is about that, the exhaust. This is the standard 500 Rebel exhaust. And we are going to be swapping it for this Vance and Hines model. Now, obviously we're in a cost of living crisis, so I bought this second hand on eBay, plus I like to save a few quid. A few blemishes, tiny bit of rust behind that bracket, otherwise she's mint. This should be very easy. 2 bolts on, 2 bolts off. Let's do it. Right, I've taken this exhaust off a few times, mostly to put it on the paddock stand I got, because it's just in the way. Bit of a design fault if you ask me, but hey ho, nobody asked me. So what do I do there? Is it a 4? I think that's a 4. Where have I put the 4? That's not a 4. 5. Sounds like my neighbours are revving up their bike. Yep, you escape. Pull that heat shield off. There's a bit of a tidy up, I think. What's that? That's a 12. That's a 12. Just a 12, right? 12mm socket. Take off this clamp. Don't need to take it all away, just so it's loose. That should be plenty. Yep. And again, 12mm on this bracket here. Been sure to take care of all the hardware that comes along with it. And pull. Easy as that. That's going to have a clean. A clean and a treatment, I think. Now this new Vance and Hines exhaust, the clamp comes a little bit separate, so we'll put that there. Do I need to take that off? No. She's through. Whoa, this is going far easier than the top box we just did. That's not a 12, is it? Yes, that's a 12. What's that? That's a bit bigger, that's a 6. Oops, a daisy. Don't lose that. Okay, I think that's pretty much on. Happy days. Okay, she's on. She looks good. Using this exhaust, I could probably get this on the paddock stand without needing to take it off as well. But what does she sound like? So just for comparison, let's see what the stock exhaust sounds like, the one that comes with the bike. she's got a bit of a burble. She's got a burble. Oh, the popping and banging all. Okay, I'm going to turn that off now before my neighbours start yelling at me. Oh, I like that one. That's loud, mind. That is loud. I'm going to get yelled at. I am so going to get yelled at. Oh, it's nice though. Yeah, I can definitely get that on the stand now. It's out of the way now. I'm going to get yelled at. Right. Let's give it a proper test out of the road. Okay. Oh, I love this sound already. Let's just cruise about. Let's see where we can end up. Oh, I'm gonna get yelled at so much with this sound. It's very burbly. I've got earplugs in, and I think that's a must. Oh yeah, people are not gonna like me. It's just when an engine brakes, it starts verbal. Yeah, she's looking at me. When it's accelerating, it sounds the same, just louder. So that's not really much there, but it's that burble when it pops. See, sometimes it's quite aggressive popping, and then other times it's not. But it is loud. And when you change gear, it just pops. Oh, I love this thing. Pop. A little pop that time. Oh, that's loud. That is loud. That's loud. Okay, at high speed it's just loud. It's just loud at higher speeds. Cruising is not too bad, but getting up there, it's meh. Oh, I got an idea. Let's see what she sounds like in a tunnel. Right, where's the nearest tunnel? Right then. I found a tunnel, me. This is a really small one. Does this even count? Oh, oh Jesus. Oh, that is louder than God himself. Oh, we gotta do that again. I'm not sure what I was expecting, but it wasn't quite that sweet. Oh, oh. All right, that's enough of that. That's enough of that. Let's find a bigger one. Okay, next one. Big tunnel. I mean, this looks an awful lot like a bridge, but there's a tunnel up here, I swear to God. I gotta maintain a bit of speed here. Oh God, drop it down. I hope that's coming through. Oh Jesus. Oh, that was worth getting sprayed in the face with the water. Oh, okay. Bigger tunnel is definitely better than small tunnel. You know what? I enjoyed that so much. We're gonna do that again. Oh, just the burble. Oh, hang on, up to 6th gear. I'll just let it off, just let it off. Go on, burble for it, there we go. Oh, I just hit a hole. Oh, that is such a sweet sound, I love this. Go on, let's give it a big... Oh, that was worth hitting the hole. Okay, yeah, I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this exhaust. She is sweet. Loud, but sweet. Oh, and we're in traffic now, great. I did not want this. So, anyway, thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you think of the exhaust in the comments down below. I think it looks quite stylish and sounds even better. And a bit functional as well. I can use a paddock stand now. So yeah, leave a like and a comment. I'll see you in the next one.